Hi, on this video I'm going to show you how to create a database using PHPmyadmin. So let's go to your browser. Let's open the browser first of all, and you can click localhost. You can type in localhost and then / PHPmyadmin. I already have it here, my history. Alright, so click on databases and type in any name you want for your database name. Login app is the one that I'm going to create. I'm gonna click create, and then we have our database right here. We have a couple of the databases here that we're not using that were created automatically with PHPmyadmin. So I'm going to click on it, and you can see that you can create a database here, but we are not going to do that right now. What I will be showing you is a couple of different settings here. So here on SQL, you can create a database, or you can run SQL queries here on your database. You can do many different things with it. Right, this would be SQL, by the way, so you can create a database like this if you want to. Create, then you type in database and the name of the database that you want to create. In this example, I'm just gonna name it example. Very descriptive, right? And click OK, and then you see the database right here. And here you will see that it's green. That means they created something for you. In this case, it was a database for us. All right, so let me show you how to delete it. Let's click on it. As a matter of fact, we don't need to click on the database. We can just click on the home page right here and click on databases. Now you got all your databases here, and you can do things with it. You can check your privileges, or you can drop it. So I'm just gonna drop the one that I made called example. I'm gonna click here. That's how you delete it, and click OK. All right, perfect. So now we created a database that we have right here called login app, and on the next video I'm going to show you how to create a table and then later to put some data into it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.